It's a story time. Story 101 number 8. My experience during my NCLEX examination day. 1 month before my examination, I filed for my tourist visa going to India. I prepare all the documents needed, application form, passport, civil ID, my NCLEX booking, and also my plane ticket and hotel accommodation. Right after I have all the documents needed, I went to BLS International in Kuwait City. It is located in Al Jawhara Tower to file my visa application and for the visa. And then even the picture, it was done inside. And then after 3 days, I received already my passport together with my approved visa. So I'm ready now to go to India. But I don't know if I'm ready enough to take my NCLEX examination. So my sister told me that she is a strong woman, but she knows someone which is stronger than her, and that is me. Because I will go to India alone. I don't know anyone there, and I started to feel anxious because, oh my God, I will go to a place without knowing anyone, without how does it look. So I thought to myself, it's okay. I need to be stronger enough. I need to be strong because of my dream. People become stronger because they have their dream to attain and they need to face all the challenges. The day before my examination, I fly to New Delhi International Airport. And then on that day, I arrived in New Delhi around 6:30 in the morning. It's an early flight because I want to go to the church and then I want to visit the testing center, and then after the testing center I will go to the hotel and check in, fix myself, fix my things so that I can read again my notes. Some people, they are telling that no need to read, no need to study the day before the exam, but for me, I need to study more. Okay. After that, I slept at 9 o'clock p.m. so that I can have enough sleep. I woke up at 5 o'clock in the morning. I started to prepare myself. I have a good breakfast prepared from the hotel. And then, by 7:15 in the morning, I went to the testing center, and then 7:30 I arrived, and then they started to do the personal identification. They asked my passport, and then I gave, and then they do the fingerprint, and then after that they gave me one ziplock to put my mobiles inside, and then after that they provide one locker with a key so that I can put all my things, including my snacks. You are not allowed to bring anything inside the cubicle. So after that, I'm ready to take the exam, 7:45 a.m. So they check again my pocket, and then they check again the fingerprint. Because every now and then they will check. Every time you went outside for a snacks or to have some break, they will check your pocket, they will check your fingerprint. And then they provide me one cubicle. While I'm sitting in front of the computer, I started to feel anxious. This is it. My heart is beating so fast. This is the reality. I need to do my best, and then I need to pray a lot. So prayer is really the best weapon during that battle. So in NCLEX examination, the minimum question that you will encounter is 85. And the maximum question is 150 before the computer will shut down. And the questions, it varies from easy, moderate to difficult. First, they will give you an easy question. And then, if you answer it correctly, the level of difficulty, it will go up. But if you fail to answer the question correctly, it will go down to the lesser difficult question. So, that's it. You need to attain more correct answers, and you should be on the above the passing cutoff, because you never know when the computer will shut down. If the computer will shut down, you don't even know also if you pass or you fail. You will only know that after 48 hours when you check on the quick result on the person view. But based on the question, the more difficult the question is, and the more difficult the question you will answer it correctly, the more chances that you will pass the exam. So guys, always remember, we never know our luck. Only God knows. Offer everything to the Lord and pray hard. Good morning, until our next story time.